Hello friends, my name is Vimpur Goyal and today I am going to teach you about how to read and write files in Python using the built-in file methods. So Python provides built-in methods for working with files with which you can open files, write data to them and read that data back. So basically all the things you expect to do with files you can do it within Python. And with this I will start with the Visual Studio Code Editor. And as you know, Python already knows about files and you don't need to import any classes to work with them. So in our first example, let's just write some data to a file so that it takes two arguments. So to open a file, I will call the open function and it takes two arguments. So in this example, I am opening text file.txt for write access because of the w parameter. So I will quickly write the code for it. So text file.txt. Okay. So the plus sign means that to create the file as it doesn't already exist. So as you can see, I don't have a text file.txt here. So I am storing the creative file object in the f variable. Now the file is open. Let's write some lines of data in that file. So to do that, I will call f.close when we are done. So before that I will do a loop through which I will be writing some code of data. So to start a for loop you need for clause and a range clause. So I will be writing 10 lines. So I will be using the write command and do a simple text. So it's called this is line and I will be using the percentage sign d(n) and so just to move the counter by +1 I will be using I +1. So this is the code to write 10 lines within the file that we just created called text file.txt. Now since I am done, so what I will do is I will just so I think the comments are not correct, so let me just do this. So now since I am done with writing the files, I will just do a f.close. So this will close the file. Now I will read the same file with the r keyword, so r parameter. So what I will quickly do is I will just copy the read statement and just instead of w plus I will use r. Now I can also do this. I will have to do the f.mode query. So to make sure that the file was open, I will just do if f.mode is equal to r. So we need a double equal in case of Python, and once this is done I will read the contents of the file into a contents folder. So I will use the f.read command and print the contents. let's try and run this code. Okay, so here you can see that the file was created and these are the lines. We can also verify that in the text file.txt that just got created. So this is how Python works with the files, and just like everything else, Python makes working with file content very easy. So thank you so much.